Let me show you 3 ways to fix your issue of crawl currently not indexed on your website. And after watching this video, you will be able to solve this issue and index your pages on Google. I've already created a video on this topic and it got almost 90,000 views. But today this is the new video and this video will be divided in 2 parts. So in first part, I will explain you what is this issue of crawl currently not indexed. A lot of people have no idea actually what this issue is and how to fix it. In second part, I will give you 3 solutions so you can also index your pages on Google. Guys, please take notes, watch the video until the end, and also you can watch the old video I've created. It will be additional information and you will improve your knowledge. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is this issue about. So when you click here on crawl currently not indexed, you will see all these pages here. You can see I have 42 pages which are not being indexed on Google. So basically, in a nutshell, when you have pages with this error crawl currently not indexed, it means Google bots crawl these pages. They know about these pages, they have called them, but they say, okay, we are not going to index these pages. Now there could be multiple issues. Okay, now this is the interesting part. A lot of people, they just panic. They say, okay, why all these pages are not indexed? We have so much pages here. First of all, you need to understand whether do you really want to index all these pages or not, because sometimes it's good that these pages are not being indexed. They are stuck in this stage because these pages should not be indexed on Google. That's why Google is not indexing these pages. Let me give you an example. You can see feed pages, they should not be indexed. If they're stuck here, don't worry about it. You can see this URL here, add to cart URL. If it's not being indexed, it's stuck here, don't worry about it. You can see both cart URLs are here, feed URLs are here. If I go to next page, you can see I have this txt files here. So first of all, you need to understand everything what you see here in Search Console is not an error. This is just reporting from Google telling you, okay, these pages are currently not indexed. So Search Console is not all about errors. So first you understand that not all these pages should be indexed. You should be a little bit easy with your mind. Don't panic about it. What you need to do with these pages, like feed page, that's a topic for different video. Today we are talking only about crawl currently not indexed. For example, if I check this page, remove any CSS and JS using Asset Cleaner plugin. This is a post on my website. If I click here, you can see this is a post. I want this to be indexed on Google, but it is not getting indexed. And this is stuck into currently crawl not indexed. One very important tip, guys, if you want, you can just click here from all known pages to all submitted pages. So once you do this, this will give much better idea. You can see now the affected pages are only 13. So now it will give much better idea. Pages you should be focusing. Of course, I'm not saying all of the pages you should not be worrying about, but that's different topic. So this is important to understand that about which pages you should be concerned about. Second important thing to understand here about this error is sometimes the pages are already indexed, but they still shows in this phase of crawl currently not indexed. So it's really important to verify it. How you can do it? Click on this glass icon here. And here you can see the detail about this page. So what you need to do here is click on test live URL here. And I guarantee you a lot of time it will happen that your pages are already indexed, especially if they are old pages. They're not like, you created like 1 week or 2 weeks ago. If they're like new pages, you can wait for some time. They might be indexed in few days. You can see here, I just shown you. This URL is available to Google. Page can be indexed, but it is not getting indexed. But you can see the information there was old information. One very important information to check here is make sure that crawl allowed is always yes and indexing allowed is always yes. A page fetch should be successful. This is really important. So I hope you understand that you should not be worried about all the pages. First, you should be worried about the pages which are all submitted pages. And also, even if there's some pages which you know that they should not be indexed, don't worry about those things. This topic for a separate day. Now let's go to second part of this video, which is 3 solutions to move these pages from crawl currently not indexed to index. So these pages could be indexed on Google. And guys, very quickly, I want to ask you, have you ever spent hours fixing a slow website, or you had a crash just right before an important launch? Yes, I've been there, and that's why I recommend Kinsta, because it's reliable and fast. So Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting built for speed, security, and peace of mind. Whether you're running a blog, an agency, or an online store, Kinsta handles everything from server management to daily backups so that you can focus on growth. With Kinsta, your site could run up to 200% faster. They offer 300 plus CDN location, 37 data centers, plus features like edge caching, early hints, and a built-in performance monitor so your site could load faster and stay more reliable. And what the best thing I like about Kinsta is their support. It's not just some chatbot, they're real WordPress expert available for your help 24/7. I have used this support and they really helped me to fix issues in minutes. So if you're serious about website performance, try Kinsta. Scan the code on the screen. I will also leave link in the description. So you'll get top tier hosting and your visitor will feel difference instantly. With that said, let's go back to the video. Now let's go to second part of this video, which is 3 solutions to move these pages from crawl currently not indexed to index. So these pages could be indexed on Google. Reason number 1 why this page is not being indexed is because they are orphan pages. What are orphan pages? For example, you can see this page content is really good here. I have screenshot, I have everything edited by myself, I have step-by-step instruction, but this page is still not being indexed. This page is an orphan page. So orphan page is a page when this is not getting any link from your website. Any other page does not have this link. This page is not in the menu. This page is not on any important page. And Google might think, okay, this page is not that important page, so let's not index this page. So there's a very quick fix if you think the content is really good. So to solve this issue, what you can do, you can add a link to this page on a popular page on a website. Either you can add on home page or you can add on a popular page. You can always go to Google Search Console and then go to performance, and then from here go to pages, and you can see which pages are getting more traffic. You can see the home page is getting a lot of traffic, and then 10 best blogger themes is getting also good traffic. But try to link that page on a relevant page. For example, you can see this page is about removing CSS and JS files. So if I add a link on this page like blogger theme page, they're not very relevant. But you can see I have this page, website detail optimization report. This is about website optimization. And this is all a relevant page. Or even, you know what, you can add on any page. Just to tell Google that this is an important page, please index this page. How you can do this? I can show example for homepage. For example, this is the homepage of a website. I will click on Edit with Elementor. And then what I will do, I will go to the end somewhere. So you can see I already have latest blog post. So what else I can do? I can just click here, choose a column, and then you can click here, and then I can add an element here. It will be similar in case of other page builders. Just find like post or carousel where you can add multiple posts. For example, I select post grid here, and then I will add it here. And then this is by default free from Elementor, but every page builder has something like this. Okay. And then from here you can see I have this 4 blog posts. So what I can do, you need to find query. Every blog has this option of query. So source instead of this, what I can do, manual selection. And now, so I know what is this page about. So I'll just go back and then type here remove. And then I will see this blog post here. You can see the blog post is here. So now this blog post is here, and then you can choose what you want to show. You can don't want to show. For example, I'll say 3 blog posts, and then I will say don't show excerpt, don't show metadata, and then I set to H5, or what you can say, you know, I can set to just to div. So now you can see this page is stuck here from long time, from May 25. What I'm doing it, I'm adding here on the home page, and home page is already getting some traffic on my website, which you can verify from Search Console. So this would be the first solution to give more importance to the page which are not getting indexed. Before we move forward, I want to tell you, if you're serious about your website growth, website ranking, and getting traffic on your website, I highly recommend you that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Because in this channel, I teach AI assisted strategies. I don't teach you that copy paste the content. I don't give you wrong advice. I give the advice which we use in industry every day and which is really working. So you can improve your skill. So if you want to be part of the community where you learn that real use of AI and learn principal skills so that you can get real result, not just inspiration talking about money, but real skills. In this channel, I don't make videos about how much money I make and how much money somebody else is making from the blog. They're good for inspiration. You can go and watch those videos there. But if you want to learn real skills, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also there's a really nice way to support the channel, and I really appreciate that. Let's go to fix number 2, why our pages are stuck in crawl content not indexed and what to do about it. So the reason is thin or low value content. And thin content does not always means like less text on the page. For example, you might think that there are 500 words on the page, so that's a thin content. It could be, it is a thin content, but still sometimes if the quality is not really good, your pages will not be indexed. Google will say, okay, why we should index this page if the information is not that great. And a lot of people will think, okay, how do we know we have high value page? What we should do about it? I've already created a video about it, like what a blog post or page should have. There's a structure of a blog post or a page. You can see here, title, introduction, which introduces the topic, body, which delivers the main content, conclusion, which wraps up the post, and CTA, and creates reader engagement. You can watch this video. This will teach you the basic structure of a blog post or a page. So your page will be decent. Imagine your friend, he's not very funny, he's not really bad, but he's a decent guy or decent girl. And there's high probability that you want to hang out with this person because this person is a decent person. So sometimes you don't need to make your page really very great page or very bad page. Just keep it decent page. And by watching this video, you could know. I explain step by step. Even I give example. You can see if I scroll this video, you can see I explain like step-by-step process like what you should introduce in a different kind of blog post. I give example about different kind of blog posts. I also shown with example in this video, so please watch this video to know how to improve your page value. And it will not take a lot of time. Once you watch this video, you will just go back to your blog post and you can really make significant changes and your page will be indexed. I guarantee you, if you watch this video, you will be 100% able to improve your page from low value page, thin page to a high value page, and they will be definitely indexed. Fix number 3. Guys, please stop overusing and misusing AI generated content. Let's talk about elephant in the room. This is the biggest reason why pages are not being indexed in 2025, 2026. And from last few years since AI came, everybody is abusing this. Even Google has to roll out the updates, and a lot of websites with millions of traffic, they got dead overnight because they were using too much of AI content. Somebody will say now, no, Google says if you making it helpful, it's totally fine. Yes, it's totally fine, but it's not fine to be indexed by Google. Google does not prioritize the AI generated content to be indexed. You can create AI content, you can copy paste it directly, no worries. Google will not penalize your website, but yes, Google will not prioritize your content to be indexed. So everybody who thinks like, okay, I'm wrong, you can watch this video, explain step by step why copy paste from AI won't work and what you can do instead. Also, some people, they say we humanize the content and our content is high quality. Guys, does not matter. I created this video based on the document. This is a search evaluator guideline PDF released by Google, I think 11th of November, if I'm not wrong about the date. Point 4.6.5 says scale content abuse. So this is the important point by Google. So Google made very clear that even if you are using big part of your content on your website by AI and a lot of content written by human, the whole website might be de-indexed. And when the pages will be de-indexed, they will stuck here and crawl content not indexed. Because Google crawled those pages, but Google is not indexing those pages. So this is a very important point. And guys, also explain in this video what you should be doing. So if you are someone who is struggling for many years with this issue, or you want to really learn some skills and have a bright future with the blog or your website, or want to learn real SEO, you can watch some videos. I will link in description that really help you out. If you want to discuss anything, you are always welcome to comment below. I reply to all the comments on this channel. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Now, if you want to know how to index your pages on AI searches like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, check this video on the screen.